guys, welcome to WepTech Academy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to enroll for a course on the website using your smartphone. It's quite easy to do that. The first thing you have to do is to maybe create an account, but today I'll show you how to enroll for a course. So most of the time when you register online, you are sent a link of the course that you have to study, which you have to click on it to access the course. But even if you are not sent a course and you want to enroll for a course on weptechacademy.com, what you have to do is most of the time you have to come to courses and choose the course that you want to study. There are courses there like these ones that you see right now. So let's say I want to study Introduction to Photoshop Model 1, and I clicked on it. When I click on it, they will give me some information, description about the course, what is going to happen in the course, what I should expect to learn, what I will learn, and all that stuff. The instructor for the course, W. Daniel Prince, student feedback. Nobody have used the courses, so you cannot have any feedback here. So now, sometimes they ask you to pay, but this one is a free course. So now you have to click on enroll. You can also share or add it to your waitlist. When it comes for enroll, you have to log in or either create a new account. So if you click here, you can fill this information and you say register as a student, and you automatically create an account. But I've already created an account, so I just have to log in. So I'm gonna just log in right now. I saved it. So anytime you are done filling information, always click on remember me, then click on login. Alright, when you click on login, you have to still scroll right down. It's somehow stressful using a phone. So once you have logged in, now you have to enroll. Once you have enrolled, it says successfully enrolled. So once you are done that, you can add us reviews here. Okay, feel free to add us reviews here. Say thank you WepTech Academy for creating this course. Alright, so now you can select the rating. I'll give them 5. Okay. So once you are done with that, you can submit. Once you submit it, you can give 5. 5 is good now. So good. Thank you for the stars, please. I hope you did that. It's quite easy. So once you do that, you can now start the course by clicking start course. And there you go. This is what you have to study on this introductory course. You can start with the first one, basic tools in Photoshop. Then from here you will start playing from here automatically, and under here you have some notes that you can study after you are done watching the video. So you can read what is being said in the video, is also the notes down, so you can also read it. It's gonna help you a lot. So these are question and answers. Here you can ask questions. Let's say title Photoshop, and you come down here, you say how can I be more faster with Photoshop? There you submit. Beautiful. The question is already there, awaiting questions. And here, if there are announcements, you always come here. Then content, you can always come in to click to any video that you want to study, or remember to study and make notes. Once you are done from this video, it goes to the other one automatically. Or if you don't want to go to the other one, you can just click here. You show your progress. Add to favorite course. That one is totally your choice. So, and if you want to go to the next course, what do? You come down here, you just click on it, and it's gonna automatically load. After some time, it starts playing. So most of the time it will load faster depending on the speed of your internet. So that is it. If you first need this site, please don't hesitate to comment below, and we'll be available to help you write customer service on 654 30 57 30.